attention till the last line. Okay, so without delay, let us start learning this. I hope earlier stories or poems that we have done, you have understood it. Yes, Diya, Aryan, and
Yes,
Vasu,
sir.
are you able to understand it? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So have
yes.
you opened this story called The Happy Prince? Yes? Okay, fine. So I want someone to be a reader for today. You have to read aloud. Will you be able to do it aloud? Okay. Yes. Pay attention, everyone.
Once high above the city, on a tall column, stood the statue of the Happy Prince. It was made over with thin leaves of pine wood. For eyes, he had two bright facials and a large red hoodie glowed on his showing feet. Okay, so now see, this is a basic description of how the statue of the Happy Prince was. First of all, it was erected on a very high level. Second, the entire body was coated with thin silver leaves, right? Second, his two eyes had sapphire, okay, and a ruby over his sword. At the center of the sword, it had ruby. I think it was of red color, okay. So it was very much there on the sword. Continue. One night, there flew over the city a little swell. His friend had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before, but he had stayed behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt too. Yes. Okay. So now what happened that once there was this little bird called little swallow, and the fact about this little swallow was that he was going to fly to Egypt. His friends had already flown away to Egypt before 6 weeks, so he was left behind. So he decided that he too will fly to Egypt. Okay, but maybe there was something that he was about to take rest over there. Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes, please continue. All day long he flew, and at night time he arrived at the city. Where shall I he said, I hope the town has made preparations. Yes, see, the entire day he had kept on flying and flying. Are you able to clearly hear my voice, dear students? Yes,
Yes.
online students?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
The entire day, he kept on flying and flying. So he got tired. So he decided that he would definitely take rest. So he came to this city and he said, yeah, I'm tired. I hope that the city has made enough of arrangements for me to take rest. You see the kind of self-flattering this little shallow was, right? So yeah, these little things you love about this bird. Please continue. And I saw that statue on the tall wall. I will put up there. Right. It is a fine position with plenty of fresh air. Slowly alive just between the feet of the happy prince. Yes. Okay. So now he decided. So when he was there in the city, he saw this, the statue of Happy Prince, a tall column. So he decided that, I will stay here because I will get fresh air. So by saying so, he landed up between the 2 feet of the Happy Prince statue. Continue. Under the golden bedroom, he said, softly to himself as he looked around and he said, then he prepared to go to sleep. But just as he was putting his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. Yes, so he was about to sleep. So he looked around and said, "Oh my God, see, I have a golden bed to sleep." All right. So he was making himself comfortable that, now he will sleep. So while he was about to sleep, a little drop of water, probably large for him, of course. So that little drop of water fell over him. Continue. What a curious thing, he cried.
There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright, and yet it is raining.
Yes, so he said that what it is strange thing, you see, there are no clouds in the sky, but still there is this water which is falling over me. The stars are clearly visible. Where is this water coming from? Continue.
That's another drop fell. What is the use of statue if it cannot rainfall?
Yes, so while he was, busy speaking and observing around, then another large drop of water fell over him. तो बोला गया बोलो, ये इतना बड़े स्टेचू का करने का क्या? पानी तो रोक नहीं सकता है गिरने से. So that's what he spoke. Continue.
I must look for a good chimney pot, and he determined to fly over. But before he had opened his wings, a third drop fell, and he looked up and saw, oh, what did he see? The eyes of the happy prince were filled with tears and
Yes. Okay. So while he made up his mind and he decided that he would now go to a chimney spot, to take some rest. So while he was about to file, another drop of water fell over him. So when he looked up, he was shocked because he couldn't believe that the statue's eyes, were, quite wet. The statue was found crying, and that water didn't come from the clouds, but it came straight away from the eyes of those little statue. Understood? Continue.
His face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the little was filled with tears.
Yes. Up now, there was typical moonlight because the sky was very clean. The stars were shining very bright. So the moment he saw up, and the moment he saw that the statue of little prince is crying, the face was so amazing. The face was so beautiful. The face was so shining beautifully in the moonlight that he literally felt pity for this statue. Continue.
Who are you? He said. I'm the happy prince. Why are you weeping then? Asked the sparrow. You have quite drenched me. When I was alive and when a human had answered the statue, I did not know what tears were.
Yes, understand this. So the little swallow happened to ask the statue that, what is it? Why are you crying? See what you have done. You have totally drenched me. So the statue said that, when I was alive, what I was all shown was happy faces around. I didn't know what the regret is. I didn't know what the sorrow is. I didn't know what sadness is. But now when I'm standing here at the tall column, what I could see is literally people in the pain. And I could not bear the pain that they are suffering from. You see? Please continue.
I live in the palace, but sorrow is not allowed to enter. My country is called with a happy prince and happy indeed I was. So I live and so I die.
Yes. So he makes it very clear that the palace where I lived, the sorrow was not allowed to get in. And also I was not introduced to the sadness. Okay. So he said that, I was made believe that all in our, place, the people are happy. But when I'm dead, when I'm put here at the tall column, what I could see is nowhere happiness. I could literally find people in pain around me. Continue.
Now that I am dead, they have said here, we are so high that I can see the greatness and all the mystery of my country.
Yes, so अब जब मैं मर गया हूं तब इन लोगों ने मेरा पुतला यहाँ पे इतनी हाइट पे बना के रख दिया है. अब मुझे हैप्पीनेस दूर दूर तक नहीं दिखाई दे रही है. मुझे लोगों की मजबूरियत, मुझे लोगों की मासूमियत, मुझे लोगों के दुख, मुझे लोगों के गम दिखाई दे रहे. I am not able to see happiness far at the distance. Continue.
My heart is made up of meat, yet I cannot fix it but breathe.
Yes, कहते हैं कि देखो अब मैं स्टैचू हूँ, मेरा हार्ट लीड का बना हुआ है, लेकिन फिर भी पता नहीं मुझे इमोशंस कहाँ से आ रहे हैं. I cannot control my tears, looking at the pain, sufferings, and the sorrow that the people in my city are going through. Continue.
Or is it not solid gold? Still the sorrowful himself.
सैलो बोल रहे कि पूरी बॉडी तो तेरी गोल्ड की है, तो तेरा दिल गोल्ड का नहीं है कि नहीं, वो तो लीड का है. ऐसा बोला उसने. कंटिन्यू.
He was too polite to make any personal remarks.
हाँ, अब देखो swallow knew किस तरह से बोलना है, because basically he was talking in front of a prince, right? The statue of prince, so he should have that courtesy. Okay, so whatever questions that Swallow was asking were full of humbleness. They were polite and very soft by nature. Continue.
Continued to statue in a low musical voice. While the little street there is an open house, one of the windows is open, and through it I can see a woman seated at a table. Her face is pale and worn, and she was coarse, red hands all pricked by the needle, for she is seamstress. She is embroidering flowers on a stain worn for the loveliest of the queen's maids of honor.
Yes, now understand this. Now, in this entire chapter, you will come across 3 incidents. This is the first incident of seamstress. Okay, a lady. Okay, so you underline this or you can mark it as incident 1. So that, you know, when you are preparing for the questions or answers, you will be easily able to find out your answer. In the entire story, you will find 3 incidents. Okay, this is incident number 1, where, you know, far at a distance, he could see that one window is open. And in that window, through that window, he is able to see a woman who is so tired and her hands are also swollen. And she is busy, you know, beading the flowers on the what? On the dresses of the maids of the queens. Okay. Yes. So this is incident 1. Okay. Continue.
He died in the corner of the room while little boy is crying acutely as a fever and sick. He is asking his mother to give him oranges. His mother has nothing to give but pure water, so he is crying. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring one the ruby out of my sword? Her feet are fastened at the pedestal, and I cannot move.
Yes. Now understand this. So, you know, that he says that, you know, there is this lady, you know, he is a seamstress, but in the same room in the corner there is this bed and there is the boy or a child of this lady, and he has fever, and you know, he demands oranges, but the lady is unable to get it because she has not been yet paid and she doesn't even have money and she cannot even get oranges. What she is able to offer him is the river water. Swallow, swallow, little swallow. Okay, so he requests, this is the request number 1 from prince to little swallow. कि swallow, swallow, मेरी ये request है कि मेरे sword में से तू रूबी लेके जा और directly जाके उस lady को देके continue. Yes, see now, I'm sorry, I forgot to explain the remaining half. He says that my feet are tied at the pedestal with cement and concrete and I cannot move. Please, if you could, see, because you are able to fly, right? So please, can you carry this ruby from my sword and, you know, get it over there? So at first, little swallow denies because, you know, he says, and he has a genuine reason. He says that my friends are waiting in Egypt because they've already, you know, flown over there before 6 weeks. I'm already kept waited over in Egypt. Please continue.
Talking to the large lotus flowers, so they will go to sleep. The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. The
Yeah.
so
To understand this, he says, यार मेरे दोस्त मेरी राह देख रहे हैं रिवर नाइल के ऊपर, ठीक है, वहां पे लोटस से बात कर रहे, कुछ भी करके वहां पे पहुंचना होगा. Then little prince requests that swallow, swallow, little swallow, could you please be a help to me? Could you please stay with me this particular night and be a help to someone? Continue.
the boy is so thirsty and the mother so sad. Mother is so sad. He said, I don't think I like boys. Answered the swallow. I want to go to
they throw stones to me, says, you know. तो प्रिंस बोलता है कि यार वो बच्चे को बहुत प्यास लगी है, उसकी मॉम इतनी टायर्ड हो चुकी है और दुखी है, ठीक है, दैट तू जा और वहां पे उनकी हेल्प कर. तो swallow बोलता है कि मुझे बच्चे पसंद नहीं है, मुझे देख के वो लोग पत्थर मारते हैं. No, that's what Swallow has a see. Swallow has a legal argument. Okay, and somehow we also accept and agree to it, right? But still, you see the convincing skill of the prince. Okay, please continue.
But the happy prince looked so sad that the little girl was sorry. It is very cold here, he said, but he agreed to stay with him for one night and be his messenger.
Yes, अब prince तो उदास हो गया. तब we know that from the beginning itself, prince का face इतना charming था कि little swallow को उसका face देख के उसके ऊपर दया आ गई. तो जब इसने उदास होकर मुंह नीचे कर दिया तो swallow को लगा कि यार ये बुरा कर, ठीक है ना. तो बोला कि यार ठंड तो बहुत है आज रात, ठीक है, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, फिर भी मैं जाऊंगा हेल्प करने. सो दैट पर्टिकुलर नाइट little swallow decided that he will stay with the with the happy prince. Continue.
Thank you, little swallow, said the prince. The swallow took out the great ruby from the steel sword and flew away with it in his beak over the roofs of the town.
Yes.
He passed by the cathedral town where the white marble angles were sculptured. He passed by the palace and heard the sound of dancing. The beautiful girl came out on the bouncing with her lover. I hope my dress will be ready in time for the street ball. She said, I have ordered flowers to be embroidered on it, but the seamstresses are so lazy.
Yes. See, now जब ये लिटिल स्वेलो उड़ के जा रहा है तो पहले आता है उसका कैथेड्रल चर्च, ठीक है ना, पूरा व्हाइट मार्बल से बना हुआ. फिर दूसरा आता है पैलेस, इसकी लॉबी पे जो मेड है, जो लेडी है प्रिंसेस की, she comes at the lobby along with her lover and she tells her lover that I hope the dress is ready because I have given the flowers to be beaded over the dress. But you see, these seamstresses are so lazy, and this little swallow overheard this. But then he was going to serve who? The seamstress, only because he only knows what is the condition of the seamstress. Continue.
He passed over the river and saw the lanterns hanging on the banks of the stream. At last, he came to the poor woman's house and looked in. The girl
Yes, wait. See, the third thing which he came across was, over the river, where there were what? Hanging? What was it? Lanterns. Okay. And then he finally came to this house where he could literally see that this boy was literally shivering with fever. Continue.
The boy was tossing feverishly on his bed, and the mother had fallen asleep. She was so tired. He woke and laid the great ruby on the table beside the woman's finger.
Yes. Now understand this. So while he actually came into the hut or the house of that lady, he could literally see that the boy was shivering with fever and the mother had already slept because she was tired for the entire day. So what did this bird do? This bird entered through the hole and put that ruby beside the lady, and then he flew away. Continue.
Then he flew gently around the bed, fanning the boy's forehead with his wings. How cool I feel, said the bird. I must be getting better, and he sank into delicious slumber.
Yes, understand this. So जब रूबी रखा उसने लेडी के बाजू में, तो वो पंख फड़फड़ाते हुए गया वो बॉय के बाजू में जहाँ पे वो सो रहा था. तो उसके आजू बाजू उसने 3-4 चक्कर लगाए ऐसे पंख फैलाते हुए. So the boy could literally feel the cool breeze, and somewhere in his sleep he was saying that I am getting cool breeze, maybe I am recovering. Okay, and that's how he started dreaming nicely, and he had a sound sleep. Slumber means sleep. Okay, continue.
The sparrow flew back to Happy Prince and told him what he had done. It is curious in remark, but I feel quite warm now, although it is so cold. That is because you have done a good action, said the
Yes.
prince.
तो हंसता खिलखिलाता वो प्रिंस के स्टैचू के पास आया और उसने जो चीज किया था, जो चीज देखा, उसने सब हैप्पी प्रिंस को बता दिया। एंड लास्ट में बोलता है कि पता नहीं इतनी कोल्ड क्यों है, लेकिन मुझे फिर भी थोड़ी गर्मी महसूस हो रही है। तो प्रिंस बोलता है दैट इज बिकॉज यू हैव हेल्प्ड समवन आउट। कंटिन्यू। यस, तो ऐसा सोचते सोचते वो सो गया। और बाद में हमको ये भी पता चलता है कि जब कभी भी वो सोचता था ना, वो सोता था। जब कभी वो थोड़ा बहुत भी सोचता तो उसको नींद आ जाती थी, तो वो सो गया वहां पे। कंटिन्यू। यस, तो दूसरे दिन जब वो उठा, वो नीचे नदी में जाके अच्छा नहा लिया और खुद को बोला कि आज रात को मैं पहुंच ही जाऊंगा। कंटिन्यू। यस, तो अब जैसे वो शहर छोड़ने वाला, तो उसने डिसाइड किया कि यार चलो आज दिन पूरा शहर में घूम लेता हूँ, ठीक है ना, जो भी देखने लायक चीजें है मैं देख लेता हूँ। और फाइनली जाके वो चर्च के टॉप के ऊपर बैठ गया, ठीक है ना। और फिर उसको पता था कि आज रात वो इजिप्ट की ओर रवाना हो जाएगा। तो जब अब आज यहाँ पे है तो चलो ना कि पूरा शहर घूम ले, ऐसा। कंटिन्यू। Have you any commissions for Egypt? Right. I am just starting. हाँ सुनो, अब वो बोलता है, वो हैप्पी प्रिंस को टाटा बाय बाय कहने आया, बोले कि have you have any commissions? That means, you know, have you got anything that you want me to carry to Egypt? Because I am going there. Okay. तब आता है प्रिंस, swallow swallow little swallow। जब कभी भी प्रिंस बोलेगा swallow swallow little swallow, एक और रिक्वेस्ट उभर के आएगी। दिस इज इंसिडेंट नंबर 2, याद रखना, ठीक है। प्लीज कंटिन्यू, मैं बोलूं तभी मार्क करना। कंटिन्यू। यस, तो प्रिंस बोलता है कि यार आज रात मेरे साथ रुक जाओगे तुम। तो बेचारा मुंह उदास करते हुए लिटिल फेलो बोलते हैं कि यार मेरे दोस्त राह देख रहे इजिप्ट में, ठीक है, वो कब से राह देख रहे मेरी 2 दिन से, ठीक है ना। तो वो रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, स्वेलो स्वेलो लिटिल स्वेलो, प्लीज बी विथ मी फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर नाइट। कंटिन्यू। leaning over a desk covered with papers. In the glass by his side there is a bunch of fitted violets. His hair is brown and crisp, and his lips are red as pomegranate, and he has large and dreamy eyes. He is trying to finish a play for the director of the theatre, but he is too cold to write anymore. There is no fire in the bed, and hunger has made him faint. Yes, understand. Now this is incident number 2. He says that swallow, swallow, little swallow. There is this far distance where there is this man, and he's basically writing a what? Writing a play that he has to submit it to his director, because now the what should I say, the shade is so open that the cold gets inside his house. His lips have already become red like a pomegranate. His eyes are like a dreamy kind of eyes. He is unable to write because his hands are so cold that he couldn't write any more. Swallow, swallow, little swallow. Let us see what request he has further. I will greatly see what my number. Who really had a great part. He asked if he should take another beautiful young playwright. Yes, तो वो एग्री हो गया कि चलो कोई बात नहीं, मैं आज की रात तुम्हारे साथ रह जाता हूँ। बोला कि भी अगर तुम्हारे साथ कोई दूसरा रूबी है तो लाओ मुझे दो, तो मैं वो भी उसको देखे। But we know as a reader that there was only one ruby. There were 2 sapphires, and then there were leaf all over his body. This is the asset that the Happy Prince statue has. Okay, so let us see now what this Happy Prince statue will offer to the little swallow. Continue. Yeah. They are made of red sapphires which are brought out
years ago, he ordered the swallow to pluck out one of them and take it to the playwright.
Yes, understand this. तो उसने बोला कि यार मेरे पास दूसरा रूबी तो नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ मेरे पास ये सफायर्स है और बहुत ही पेशकीमती है, हजारों साल पहले इंडिया से इसे लाने में आया था। तुम एक काम करो कि मेरी एक आंख तुम निकाल दो और जाके वो जो राइटर है उसको तुम देखे आओ। So at first, of course, you know, the little swallow will disagree. ऐसा तो थोड़ी हो सकता है, मैं आपकी आंखें कैसे निकाल सकूंगा? Continue, please.
He will sell it to the jeweler and buy firewood and make it straight.
Yes, तो ये जो सफायर वो राइटर को मिलेगा, वो क्या करेगा कि वो एक ज्वेलर को बेच देगा और उस पैसों से वो वुड खरीदेगा और उस वुड जब वो जलाएगा तब उसको वार्मथ मिलेगी और वो वार्मथ मिलने के बाद वो प्ले फिनिश करेगा और वो प्ले फिनिश होगा तब वो डायरेक्टर को देगा और डायरेक्टर उसको पैसे देगा। See the entire cycle, है ना? Continue, please.
Dear prince, said the swallow, I cannot do that. And began to write. Swallow, little swallow, said the prince, do as I command.
Yes, says that मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, ऐसा करूंगा तो will almost become blind. The prince says that swallow, little swallow, जो मैं कहता हूँ तुम वैसा करो. Continue.
The swallow plucked out the prince's eyes and flew over to the young man's brain. It was easy enough to get in as there was a hole in the roof.
Yes. Yes, because it was quite easy to get into the house of this writer was because there was a hole in the roof of this house, so he could easily get into that house. Continue.
It came into the room. The young man had his head and his hand, so he did not hear the flutter of the bird's wings.
Yes, तो जब वो अंदर आया तो वो ऐसा सो रहा, तो उसको पता नहीं था कि फ्लैपिंग ऑफ द विंग्स उसको सुनाई नहीं दिया, तो स्वैलो आके वहां पे उसके बाजू में बैठा। कंटिन्यू। यस, तो जब उसकी आंखें खुली तो उसने देखा कि उसके बाजू में एक बेशकीमती एक सफायर पड़ा था। नाउ लेट अस सी हाउ दिस राइटर रिएक्ट्स। कंटिन्यू। यस, वो था कि शायद मेरा काम अभी लोग अप्रिशिएट करना शुरू किया है, अब इससे मैं जल्दी फटाफट मेरा प्ले लिख सकूंगा और डायरेक्टर को भी दे सकूंगा। कंटिन्यू।
The next day, the swallow flew down to the door. He sat on the mast of a large vessel and
वो तो हैप्पी हो गया वो राइटर, फिर वो रात वो swallow सो गया, फिर दूसरे दिन उठा तो मास्ट के ऊपर जाके, मेरे वो वाहन होते हैं ना, बड़े बड़े शिप्स होते हैं, उसके टॉप मास्ट होते हैं, तो ऊपर जाके बैठ गया, ठीक है, और अपने आप ही बोल रहा है कि आज तो मैं रिहा हो जाऊंगा, आज मैं वापस चला जाऊंगा। अगर कोई सुन रहा है कि नहीं सुन रहा उसको कोई पड़ी नहीं है, लेकिन वो तो बोल रहा है कि आज मैं यहाँ से उड़ जाऊंगा, ठीक है, ऐसा। कंटिन्यू। आज मैं इजिप्ट जाने वाला, आज मैं इजिप्ट, कोई सुन ही नहीं रहा है उसकी बेचारे का। कंटिन्यू। तो जब मून अराइज हुआ, रात हुई, she went to the prince back to bid him a goodbye. And now what we are going to hear? Swallow, swallow, little swallow. Continue. आज बस एक रात, सिर्फ एक रात, प्लीज रुक जाओगे आज, ठीक है, 2 रात तो रुक गए, बस एक ही रात रुकना है। Can you please stay one more night with me? Continue.
Yes, will answer the swallow, and the snow will smooth be here in Egypt. The sun is warm on the green palm trees, and the crocodiles lie in the mud and look lazy about them.
Yes, देखो देखो यार, ये है ना, एक तो विंटर जल्दी आ जाएगा, ठीक है, स्नो भी गिरेगी, ठीक है, और मेरे लिए उतना ही डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा उड़ के वहां पे जाने में। और ये सीजन ऐसी है ना कि वो जो क्रोकोडाइल्स होंगे वो वहीं के वहीं पड़े रहेंगे, ठीक है. So this is a season where people or the creatures feel so lazy. Please let me go back to Egypt. Continue.
In the square below, said the happy prince, there stands a little match girl.
Incident number 3, little match girl. Kindly underline quick. इसके पापा ये पूरी मैच स्टिक है ना, गटर में गिर गई या फिर ऐसा कुछ है. Continue please. Yes.
She has let her matches fall in the gutter and they are all spoiled. Her father will beat her if she does not bring home some money and she cries.
Yes. Now see, the incident is very clear and you know it very well even if I explain you or not. The incident is that there is this little girl and who is there to sell the matchsticks, but unfortunately the matchsticks have fallen into the gutter and his father, you know, would like to have money when she gets back home. If she won't get back with money, her father is definitely going to beat her out. Swallow, swallow, little swallow.
She has no shoes or stockings.
Yes, उसके पास शूज भी नहीं है और स्टॉकिंग्स भी नहीं है कि वो अपने आप को इस ठंड में कवर अप कर पाए. कंटिन्यू.
And her little head is dull. Pluck off her another eye and give it to her and her father will not beat her.
यस, तो मेरी जो ये दूसरी आंख है वो भी निकाल के तुम उस लिटिल गर्ल को दे दो, तो जब वो घर जाएगी तब उसके पापा उसको डांटेंगे नहीं. कंटिन्यू.
I will stay with you one night longer. Stay the swallow, but I cannot pluck out your.
यस, देखो मैं इस रात रुकने के लिए तैयार हूँ, ठीक है, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं, लेकिन ये जो तुम बात कर रहे हो ना कि दूसरी आई भी निकाल दो, ये मेरे से होगा, ठीक है. कंटिन्यू.
Only quite blind then. Swallow, swallow, little swallow. Said the prince. You are like a blind.
यार देखो तुम तो फिर उसके बाद तो पूरे अंधे हो जाओगे, ठीक है. तो वो प्रिंस बोलता है कि swallow, swallow, little swallow, जो बोलता हूँ वैसा करो. Do what I say. Continue.
So he plucked out the prince
और फटाक से उसके हाथों में वो दूसरा सफायर भी दे दिया. कंटिन्यू.
What a lovely bit of grass, cried the little girl, and she ran home laughing.
यस, तो हाथ में सफायर आते ही वो बच्ची इतनी खुश हो गई कि दौड़ते कूदते हुए घर वापस चली. कंटिन्यू.
When the swallow came back to the prince, you are blind now, he said. So I will stay with you always.
Yeah, see, you see the very deadly friendship. By now, you know, the little swallow started admiring the qualities of the prince. He says that now you are fully blind. What will you do now? You will not be able to see people. So now I will stay with you forever and ever. Through my eyes, I will make you see the world. Continue.
No little swallow said the prince. You must go away.
अब देखो अब है ना पूरा रोल रिवर्स हो गया. पहले स्वेलो को जाना था इजिप्ट तो प्रिंस नहीं भेज रहा था, अब प्रिंस को उसे भेजना इजिप्ट तो स्वेलो नहीं जाना चाहता. ठीक है. कंटिन्यू.
No, I will stay with you always.
नहीं बोला ना, इस बार तुम मेरी सुनो, मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ, ठीक है, मैं यहीं पे रहने वाला हूँ. कंटिन्यू.
And he snapped at the prince's feet.
यस, और उस रात वो प्रिंस के पैरों के बाजू में ही सो गया. कंटिन्यू.
On the next day, he sat on the prince's shoulder and told him stories of what he had seen in strange lands.
दूसरे दिन से होना क्या था, प्रिंस के शोल्डर के ऊपर बैठ के आजू बाजू की जो भी घटनाएं होती थी वो सब प्रिंस को आंखों देखा हाल बता रहा था. अब देखो, अब दूसरे एक दो इंसिडेंट्स भी आएंगे, लेकिन ये जो 3 इंसिडेंट्स है दे आर द मेजर इंसिडेंट्स. पहले इंसिडेंट में रूबी जाता है, दूसरे इंसिडेंट में पहला सफायर, तीसरे इंसिडेंट में दूसरा सफायर. ठीक है. दिस आर द 3 मेजर इंसिडेंट्स. प्लीज कंटिन्यू. अब धीरे धीरे वो जो लीव्स है 1 by 1 प्लक आउट होते जाएंगे. ठीक है. कंटिन्यू.
Dear little son, said the prince, you tell me marvelous things, but more marvelous than anything is the suffering of an animal.
बोलता है, देखो कितना क्लियर है, बोलता है कि swallow little swallow, तुम मुझे तो सिर्फ अच्छी चीजें बता रहे हो, चीजें खराब भी है, कुछ लोग बहुत ही दुखी भी है। तुम सिर्फ जो लोग खुश है उसे देख रहे हो, तुम उन्हें देखो कि जो दुखी है, ठीक है। और मुझे उनके बारे में एक एक करके बताओ, मैं हो सके उतना मदद करने के लिए तैयार हूँ। कंटिन्यू। यस, इस दुनिया में गरीब होने से ज्यादा और कुछ ज्यादा खराब नहीं है। कंटिन्यू। यस, ठीक है। तो बोल रहा है कि तुम यहाँ पे पूरे उड़ो और मुझे बताओ कि क्या क्या चीज गलत हो रही है, या फिर क्या कौन बुरा है, या फिर कौन किसकी स्थिति, आर्थिक स्थिति सही नहीं है, बताओ मुझे। कंटिन्यू। यस, तो जैसे वो शहर के ऊपर उड़ रहा था तो स्वैलों ने देखा कि भाई अमीर लोग तो खुशियां मना रहे हैं, लेकिन जो गरीब लोग हैं बेचारे रास्ते के ऊपर बैठे हुए हैं। कंटिन्यू। Yes. Now you imagine this thing, वो अंधेरी गलियों में गया जहाँ पे उसने व्हाइट फेसेस देखे जो भूख के मारे बेहाल बैठे थे, है ना? You might have seen in the movies, right? In the dark street lanes, there are these beggars, there's this mice, rats, dogs that found over there in the English movies, right? So he too found, this kind of, kids, children out there in the dark street, white faces. Continue. Yes, जो ब्रिज होता है ना उसका जो आर्क पड़ता है ना, वो आर्क के एंगल पे दो बच्चे बैठे हुए फिर एक दूसरे को सिकुड़ के पकड़े हुए बैठे थे, because they wanted to warm themselves because of this extreme cold. Continue. Yes, तो वो दो बच्चे बोले कि यार कितनी भूख लगी है जोरों से, लेकिन वहां पे जो वॉचमैन आया, चलो उठो यहाँ से, फुड़क फुड़क, ऐसा कहकर बेचारे दो बच्चों को वहां से उठा दिया। कंटिन्यू। यस, और बेचारे बारिश में भीगने लगे, ठीक है ना? ब्रिज के अंदर अपने आप को रेन से, हाँ
अभी सर्दी थी, बारिश हो गई।
वही इंग्लिश कंट्रीज है, सुबह गर्मी होती है, दोपहर को बर्फ गिरती है और रात को ठंडी लगती है ना? सो द मॉनसून, विंटर एंड समर, दे आर हैंगिंग टुगेदर एंड यू कैन नॉट गारंटी अबाउट वेदर वंस यू स्टेप आउट ऑफ द कंट्री, राइट? द क्लाइमेट कैन बी एनी। कंटिन्यू।
I am covered with fine gold, said the prince. You must take it out, bit by bit.
Yes, so he saw this and he went back to the Happy Prince and जो देखा उसने बता दिया। फिर हैप्पी प्रिंस ने कहा कि देखो मैं पूरा, मेरी बॉडी गोल्डन लीव्स से कवर्ड है, तुम एक करके एक पूरी लीव्स प्लक आउट करो और ऐसे जितने भी लोग दिख रहे हैं तुम उनको दे दो, ठीक है ना? कंटिन्यू। यस, जो लोग जिंदा है वो लोग हमेशा यही सोचते कि गोल्ड उनको हमेशा आजादी दिलाएगा या फिर गोल्ड उनको हमेशा रिलैक्सेशन देगा। कंटिन्यू। यस, जब तक कि पूरा हैप्पी प्रिंस डल ना लगे तब तक लीफ बाय लीफ वो निकालने लगा और ऐसे लोगों को वो देने लगा। इतनी हद तक कि पूरा स्टैचू एकदम डल लग रहा, तो ना ही उसकी स्वॉर्ड में रूबी था, ना ही उसके दो आंखों में सफायर थे, ना ही उसके पूरे बॉडी पे अब वो गोल्डन लीव्स थे। कंटिन्यू। नाउ द एंटायर स्टैचू लुक्ड सो डल। कंटिन्यू। यस, तो जब ये चिल्ड्रन को ये गोल्ड मिलने लगा लीफ, तो बच्चे अचानक उनके मुंह पे खुशी दिखने लगी। कंटिन्यू। यस, अभी हमारे पास खाने के लिए फूड है, अब हम अच्छी तरह से खा सकते हैं। कंटिन्यू।
The streets looked as if they were made of silver.
Yes, तो पूरी मतलब चादर ढक गई हो ना पूरे सिल्वर स्नो की, ऐसे पूरी स्ट्रीट्स भर गई उससे. कंटिन्यू.
Everybody ran out in Everybody ran out in falls and the little girl was red caps and skated on the ice. The poor little swallow grew colder and colder.
Yes, अब देखो जैसे कि बाहर पूरी स्नो की चादर लग गई थी, तब स्कीइंग और स्केटिंग और वो सब हो रहा था, लेकिन ये जो स्वेलो था वो दिन ब दिन ठंडी के मारे धीरे धीरे मर रहा था. He couldn't control the warmth of his body in front of the extreme cold weather. Continue.
But he could not leave the prince. He loved him too well. He picked up crumbles out the baker's door when the baker was not looking and tried to keep himself warm by traveling the space. Yes,
the situation was such that though he knew that he was dying slowly, but the condition was such that he couldn't leave the prince alone. So what did he do when prince didn't know about this, didn't see? Probably he went to this baker and picked up the left outs of the breads. Probably tried to keep himself fed or try to keep himself warm. Probably. Okay, continue. But this couldn't last longer. Continue. You want to read? Please continue. Aloud, okay?
But at last, he knew that he was going to die. He had just enough time to get to the next level once more.
Yes, अब देखो कि उसको पता चल गया था that now not he is going to live more. So अब उसमें उतनी ही ताकत बची थी कि जितना वो उड़ के प्रिंस के शोल्डर के पास बैठ सके. Okay, so finally he flew to the prince's shoulder. Continue.
I am glad that you are going to.
Yes, see, he said that, he was, basically bidding a farewell, and now he was going to die, and that was an eternal separation. But Prince thought that finally he decided that he is going to Egypt, okay, but that was not so. See, Prince was now blind, so probably he couldn't see the physical condition of the little swallow. So when swallow, came near to him and decided that he wanted to kiss his hand because finally he was going to bid goodbye to him, the prince thought that he was going for Egypt, but that was not the case. Continue. Yes, so prince said it that see, मैंने expect किया था उससे कुछ ज़्यादा ही तुम यहाँ पे रहे हो, okay, and definitely it demands definitely a kiss over the lips, and because that's the final farewell that we are bidding to each other. Okay, continue. Yes, see, this is an important statement. Underline, that is the brother of sleep. Underline, please, dear students. Death is the brother of sleep. He says, देखो, तो ये little swallow ने बोला कि भाई मैं इजिप्ट नहीं जा रहा हूँ, मैं जा रहा हूँ मरने के लिए, ठीक है? Finally, the death has called me because death is the brother of sleep. Because when you die, it looks like you are asleep. The only difference is that when you're dead, you don't breathe. But when you are sleeping, yes, that's the only difference. But when you are lying dead, it looks like you're sleeping. Okay? But when you will closely observe, you will come to know the difference that when you are dead, you don't breathe, right? Your body starts pumping out. Continue.
And fell down dead at his feet. At that moment, a curious crack sounded inside the statue as if something had broken.
Yes. See, now the situation was very critical. The moment he kissed the happy prince, he immediately fell at the feet of the happy prince. And it was the dead little swallow. And the moment happy prince heard this voice, there was a crack noise, which was heard very loud. And that was the breaking of the lead heart. Continue.
The fact is that the little heart had snapped right in two.
दो टुकड़ों में बट चुका था और टूट चुका था. कंटिन्यू.
Suddenly was a dreadfully hard frost. Early the next morning, the mayor was walking in the square below in the company with the two town councillors. As they passed the forum, he looked up at the statue. Really, how savvy the inhabitants looks, he said. How savvy, cried the town councillor, who always agreed with the mayor, and they went up to look at it. The rookie has fallen out of the spot. His eyes are gone, and he is golden no longer, said the mayor. In fact, he is little better than a beggar. Little better than a beggar, said the town councillor. And here is actually a dead bird at his feet, continued the mayor. He must really issue a proclamation that birds are not to be allowed to die here. And the town clerk made a note of the suggestion. So they pulled down the statue of the Happy Prince. As he is no longer beautiful, he is no longer in school, said the art professor at the university. Then they melted the statue in furnace. What a strange thing, said the overseer of the workmen at the foundry. This broken lead heart will not melt in the furnace. We must throw it away. So they threw it on a heap just heap where the dead swallow was also lying. Bring me the two most precious things in the city, said God, to one of his angels, and the angel brought him the little heart and the dead body. You have rightly chosen, said God, for in my garden of paradise this little God shall sing for evermore, and in my city of gold the habitants shall praise him.
Yes, understand. So now, when there was this lead heart broken and the little swallow was dead, the town councillor along with the mayor, they came and they observed the statue and they said that now the statue is no more. और उसको उठा के नीचे रख दो. ठीक है. तो जब वो स्टैच्यू को फर्नेस में मेल्ट करने के लिए भेजा गया, पूरा स्टैच्यू तो मेल्ट हो गया, लेकिन वो लीड हार्ट मेल्ट हुआ नहीं. तो इसके चलते वो लीड हार्ट को भी जो टुकड़े हो गए थे उसको डस्टबिन में हिप में डाल दिया जहां पे वो लिटिल स्वेलो मरा हुआ था. तो जब फिर गॉड से फरमान आया कि भाई दो ऐसे अच्छे एंजल्स पृथ्वी से लेके आओ, तो जो एंजल्स थी वो इन दोनों को उठा के ऊपर लेके आई. जो डेड बर्ड था, डेड स्वेलो, और जो लीड हार्ट था जो दो टुकड़ों में बटा हुआ था, उसको लेके ऊपर गए. तो गॉड ने कहा कि दिस इज योर स्मार्टेस्ट चॉइस, बिकॉज दिस लिटिल स्वेलो will sing happy songs at my paradise, and this happy prince will do what? Praise him in this entire paradise. Will speak good about this God. Understood, beta? Any queries? Any doubts?
No, sir.
I'm exhausted with my 95% of data. I may log out at any point of time. So before it gets automatically log out, let me log out manually. Okay? So I will leave you 2 minutes early today. Okay? Because I may exhaust at any point of time.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. All right. So goodbye. Take care. See you.
Bye, sir. Bye.